a little bit of a spike, a little bit of buying coming in. We might see a test of this level here before we see a bounce. But these are all levels to watch. These are all buying levels to watch. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day. Today I'm going to look at cryptocurrencies again, not looking great at this stage. However, on the daily charts, we see a little bit of light coming in, a little bit of support coming in. So today I'm going to focus mainly on the daily charts, not as always on the weekly charts. If you look at Bitcoin, we had this beautiful long white candle that looked really great. And then the long black that negated everything there. Now, if I look at this here, it seems like on this long black, we would expect a continuation, the same as we would expected a continuation up the page. On the white, we expected a continuation down the page. And immediately there's a loss of momentum here from the bears at these support levels here. So that means it's not, I'm not saying it's bullish, but that just shows that the bears are losing control very quickly, the same as the bulls. The bulls lost control very quickly. So some support coming in, and I guess this weekend will be a very important close for us to see what happens. If you look at Ethereum, same, long white, long black, losing momentum, a little bit of a long lower shadow coming in right at these support levels. So a little bit of support do come in. Solana, same, long white, long black, losing momentum, a little bit of a spike, a little bit of buying coming in. We might see a test of this level here before we see a bounce, but these are all levels to watch. These are all buying levels to watch. Thou very, very, very difficult at this stage to buy with the trend being so sideways and so negative. You can see these little flag patterns coming in on the daily charts. That means it could even come down to this level before it bounces a break. XRP, also long white, long black, finding support here. So it's not a great support, but these are support levels coming in on the daily charts. I like the weekly ones more, but you can see how the bears losing momentum immediately. It was FOMC meeting last night, so obviously they were waiting for answers there. But let's see if we can get a bounce from here. Other than that, if it doesn't bounce from there, this is the support levels that will come in on the daily charts. So we could revisit the $2 levels again. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. XLM, same. Long white, long black, finding support here. The only worrisome part here is that we do have the support level here. It's holding from there. There you can see the resistance, support, support, support. But if it closes below that, well, then I guess this flag pattern, we should see a retracement back to this levels here again, which is about a 10% drop in the price. Bitcoin Cash, the star of the week so far, giving up a little bit more there than expected, but this could be in for a retest here on the daily chart. So a strong break on the triangle, maybe coming back down. We'll see the size of the candles as it retraces. This stage, it doesn't look too bearish. It looks like a normal retracement to come and retest structure here. Maybe this downsloping trend line, and then the reversal from there. Chain link looking not bad at all. Long lower shadow, nice small body yesterday, right at support level coming in here. You can see there. It's again very nice support levels coming in. However, I would like to see the break. You can see here we had this long trend line coming down the page. I would like to see a close above that. That would be amazing. For now, it's very difficult buying in here. So if I get half closes on all of them, if I get closes above the halfway mark of the black candle, I would nibble. I would nibble to say, right, we're finding support. We could see a little bit of bounce, but that's on a daily chart, so we'll see what happens there tomorrow morning. Then we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin also doing the same, having the support coming in at a strong level. So I guess tomorrow morning will give us answers, because this could turn into a morning star if we get a close above the halfway mark on this black candle. Other than that, it's going to mean just continuation down the page. A crucial day today, crucial. Uniswap, quite strong bounce yesterday after the sell-off. This one had the smallest sell-off. Nice white selling off on the black, not as bad as all the others. Strong candle, sort of. I mean, in comparison with the rest, it's a strong candle. Still a high wave candle, but still a strong candle for what I see here, and comparing it to the rest of the market. So not looking that bad, but we will have to see what happens tomorrow morning. Cardano really just failing. It's below this level here now. So I guess this level I showed you on the weekly charts, that's on. I get the feeling it's going to come down to this level here. So yeah, guys, not a beautiful picture on cryptocurrencies, but trading isn't just about my insight. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.